If you are trying to decide between HubSpot and Salesforce, you are in the right place. Both are among the most popular CRM platforms, but they are built for different types of businesses. In this video, I'll compare their features, pricing, ease of use, and help you decide which one is the better choice. Ease of use. Let's start with ease of use. HubSpot is known for its clean, beginner friendly interface. You can get it started quickly, even if you have never used a CRM before. Most tools are easy to find and setup takes very little time. Salesforce, on the other hand, offers far more customization, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. It's powerful, but you will likely need training or an experienced admin to get the most out of it. Winner HubSpot. Features. Both platforms include contact management, sales pipelines, email tracking, automation, reporting, and integrations. HubSpot combines CRM, marketing, customer service, content management, and operations into one platform, making it ideal for businesses looking for an all in one solution. Salesforce stands out when it comes to advanced customization, AI powered insights with Einstein AI, complex workflows, and enterprise level reporting. It's built to handle large organizations with more advanced requirements. Winner, Salesforce for advanced capabilities, HubSpot for simplicity. Pricing. HubSpot offers a generous free CRM with essential features, making it a great choice for startups and small businesses. Paid plans scale as your business grows. Salesforce doesn't have a free plan. While its entry level pricing is competitive, costs can increase significantly as you add more users and advanced features. Winner HubSpot for affordability. Who should use which? Choose HubSpot if you are a small or medium sized business, if you want an easy to use CRM, if you need marketing and sales tools in one platform, and if you want to get started with a free plan. Choose Salesforce if you run a large or rapidly growing business, if you need deep customization and advanced automation, if your company has complex sales processes, and if you have the resources to manage a more advanced CRM. Final verdict. So, which CRM is better? If you are looking for simplicity, faster setup, and better value, HubSpot is the better choice for most businesses. However, if you need enterprise level customization, advanced analytics, and maximum flexibility, Salesforce remains one of the most powerful CRM platforms available. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your business size, budget, and long term needs. If you found this comparison helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down below in the comments which CRM you are planning to use. Thanks for watching and goodbye.